What's the password?
Can I come in?
Nah, that ain't it.
Hey, groovy guys and gals, cats and kittens, guess what day it is? It is December 11th, and we are in the middle of the Christmas countdown. And we're opening a present a day. So, what do you want to open today? Oh, should we open this one? Oh, sure. How about this one? And, oh, what else? Let's see. How about this one? We'll open these two presents today on December 11th on the Toy Car Case Christmas Countdown. You ready to dig in? And we got a super surprise at the end of this video for you guys. Christmas is here! It is the official Christmas countdown of the Toy Car Case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. Or should I say, ho, 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 ho! Santa's on his way for the Christmas countdown at the Toy Car Case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. So let me tell ya, it is for the adult diecast collector to revisit some great old memories. December 1st, we are opening a present a day till they go away. So I hope you join us each and every day as we open all sorts of presents. Let's see what Santa and our friends have brought in today. Oh, this is crazy! I got to sit in a car today that I'll show you later. It was a used car, but I'll tell you the price at the end. So today is the 11th, and we've got to find the 11th. Here it is. Here it is. We found it pretty quick. That is pretty sweet. Can you see it there? Or is it Glare City? Let's see if we got anything. Oh, it's the old Johnny stocking. Let's see if we can get it out. Come on. There it is. In all its glory. It looks just like the old Johnny stocking, right? Oh. Now, don't talk with your mouth full because pieces of food can come flying out, and it's really gross. And the older you get, the more you don't care. You know what I mean? So just watch what you're doing. So, here we go. We got two presents today. I'm going to start on this one first. And it's a great shape. Feels like, you know, a card with something in it. So let's get into this. Oh, muscle machines, it's gotta be good. Oh my gosh, it's kind of like a conglomerate of a bunch of different cars. Look at this. Model 10 muscle machines. Ah, these are so much fun. I love these things. 1/64 scale collection. So you got a Datsun? Come on, focus, baby. 72 Datsun, 65 Shelby Daytona, 65 Ford GT40, which would be cool. 33 Ford 3-window, which is this one, I do believe. Yep. And a 41 Willys, and a 70 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. Oh, that 70 shows that's the station wagon in there. Look at this thing. This is gorgeous. And I think Santa got it on sale, which is even better. But look at this, Speed Wheels. 2 for $1 or 69 cents each. All new styles, rugged die-cast metal, non-toxic paint, Fast, compact, collect each series. See back panel. Oh, look at all these crazy cars. I know it's not a Hot Wheels. Oh, I've seen that one and it's really, but that's okay. They're trying their best. Here's the VW van we got. Oh, look at that truck. That looks pretty good. So anyways, this is distributed by this people, made in China. But I don't see a trademark date or anything like that. This is series number 9. And look at this. That isn't too bad. Pretty nice. Warning, choking hazard. That's a pretty sweet little deal in the package. And the package is a little beat to death, but you get a good idea of what the package was. Oh, Porsche man, 1996 Porsche Carrera. I'm going to be showing you a 71 Porsche later in this show. Dream Garage. Look at this card. It is beat to death. It is from 2021, from last year. Got it? Yeah. But this is a beautiful little Porsche happening. I think Santa found that at the flea market. Oh, look at moving parts. Hey, cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event. Oh, there's races and cars of all eras. Oh, visit the toy car case on YouTube. Become a subscriber so you don't miss out. A Honda S2000. What? Sody Dody. I know you don't watch these things, but look, if you were watching, it's a 2004 and his is a 2001, I do believe. Look at that detailed engine in there. Is that crazy? Oh, God is so good to give me a S2000. Because that, if you got anything S2000 related, let me know. Because Soda Pop is like totally Joneses over S2000 stuff. Warning, small parts. I'm looking for a date on this, 2020. Got it? So it's 2021, made in Thailand. Oh, that is crazy. That might have to go to Soda Pop. Soda Pop, close your eyes. It's a surprise. It's a white one. His is kind of metal flake, but he's talking about painting it. Look what we got. The Virtual Collection Hot Seat. Remember the Virtual Collection from way back in the day? This cracks me up. When I first saw this was hilarious. 3D screensaver of this car with purchase. So all you do is put in your super secret code somewhere. Oh, look at that. It's got a hole right in the bottom, so anything that goes in can come out. Oh, now this is the blue card. And remember, this was the series where they had a red car and it was too overpowering. Oh, this is great stuff happening here. Classic 55 Nomad, and it's Hot Wheels Speed Shop. Look at that. All rusted, disgusted. Oh, that is sweet. It's not the same without the flame. Hot Wheels, baby. Oh, I'm telling you, this is a good piece. Look at those things. Having an S2000, Santa giving us an S2000, that is nuts. Soda Pop is going to flip his lid. And then this, I might have to just take a picture of that and send it to him. Look at all these cars. These are some great cars. And guess what? We got another package. Are you excited? Let's see what we got here. I was going to say, there was a card here somewhere saying, looky, looky, where we're at. Oh, yeah. What did you think about yesterday's Bat series? I love that. I was wondering if that one Bat car was from next year, because the 2023 car should be hitting the shelf. Oh, look what we got. Pretty sweet. Let's see these things. This is the annual car series. This is the 54th series that came out this year. Now, there were 2 series of these cars. There was a first bout and a second bout. So I'm wondering what this is, if not all of them. So let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this. I love this Volkswagen Baja Bug. Because the Tile Man, he had one in high school. It's so cool. Look at that. Isn't that crazy fun? And there's the 54th year. Now this is number 3 of 6. Oh, had to get 2 of them. Santa knew me. Oh, Santa! Santa! Holy smokes, what is going on here? Did you buy out the store? That is crazy. This is the first series. This is the Manga Tuner. Kind of goofy car. This is number 4 of 6. Oh, there it is. Number 6 of 6 cars. So maybe there was just one series of cars. Are you saying I'm bored, I got nothing to do? If you're bored, have nothing to do, be it summer, spring, fall, or winter. Well, let me tell ya, there's more than just riding your skateboard. Everyone is bored to death. Look at all these people. Another place to go is Johnny Roman's Supper Club, where the excitement is fantastic. This is the super treasure hunt, super duper hard to find. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it that it's in this package car. Look at this thing. It's Pinky Pink for Pinky Pinkerton. Oh, isn't that nice? All the other cars are major blue with a little highlight of pink, and this is just the opposite. It is so shiny. It is unbelievable. Here's all the different in the series. Fair Lady, Skyline, Volkswagen, Nitro Tailgater, that's what this one is, Custom 53 Chevy, and the Magna Tuner. Those are all the ones, but look at that. Oh, so cool. Here is the Custom 53. Very nice. Look at that transparent hood on there. That is cool. I've seen real one-to-one cars with that. Look at the wheels on that. Light blue. Very nice. I love these series. That orange card last year, though, gorgeous. Because I kind of like orange these days. Here's the Datsun Fairlady 2000. Isn't that sweet? This one's 1 of 6. This one's 5 of 6. And here's another Custom 53. Oh, Santa knows me. And then this one is the Skyline. Look at this one. That is gorgeous. Totally loving that. Look at the details on the back there. That is really nice. So, you ready to go take a trip with me? I'm telling you, this is crazy. Just take a look at some of the cars we saw today. You ready? So, do you have this series? This is such a fun series to have. I can't believe that Santa found that pink car for me. and so many of these other ones, which is just great. Look at that. Lineup is just gorgeous. And then we got muscle machines. We got speed wheels. We got moving part S2000. I'm so silly. Got a Nomad here. I'm telling you. We got the hot seat. Love it. Totally love it. I have the original when it first came out in the package. And then we got a Porsche. And we're going to show you some more exotics coming up. So, you ready to do this? Hang on. Everyone is crowding and heading towards the supper club. Join us. Subscribe now. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be. Because life starts after 3:16. So let me tell you, God is amazing, and I am going to take you on a little trip to a car dealership. It's kind of like the Clampetts going to Beverly Hills, if you know what I mean. But boy, oh boy, you ready to take a look? Just hang on, babies. Hey, groovy guys and gals! We're at the Honda dealership where Big Mama got her car. So we're going to show you some other cars inside. Are you ready to go? Oh, there's Big Mama and Trixie way on the far side. You can see them. Now, this is a new dealership, but we got a used car, as you probably already know. There's the Shaggin' Wagon looking sweet. And this is the greatest dealership to go to, and I'll show you why. So, we're inside, and look what we got. Is this amazing? Is this cool? These are Christmas presents that you can get. Oh, GTR? Is that sweet or what? Now, if you need something, you just come down to Motorworks, down in the big town, look it up. Oh, here's a little Lambo for sale. You know Big Mama's gonna jump into that thing and want it for Christmas. Is that crazy? Oh, this thing is gorgeous. Now this is the Honda dealership. Do you believe it? Oh, look at that. Is that crazy? And these are all for people to buy. Oh, they got it locked. They know old Johnny's in town. Look at this big Christmas tree. Here's the Honda dealership. We'll show you some more cars in this place. It is nuts crazy. Now, when we were buying Big Mama's car, there was a GTR in here, 2017. It had 7,000 original miles on it. It was tricked out more than this. Gorgeous all around. Oh, let's go see what else we can find. Oh, and here's their Christmas tree. Elf themed. Oh, is that hilarious? They got pictures of the movie Elf all throughout there. And then here are all the stockings hung by the chimney with care. And they've got the chocolate syrup and the Etch-a-Sketch. So much fun. Let's see what we can find more. So here's the back alley leading to the Starbucks, and look at these Ferrari lined up here. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Viper. Is that amazing? Just sitting with the keys in it. See who can outrun who, right? Oh. So wait till we hit the other showrooms. You guys won't be disappointed. If you're car people, look at this. So they've got Porsche, they got Lamborghini, they've got Mercedes, here. Bentleys. Here's an Aston Martin just in the back hallway. Lamborghini. Is that nuts? Just gorgeous. Porsche. And then they have all sorts of mechanics. They have mechanics for each and every car and style. Here's the Infinity showroom. So you can come in and look at Infinities. And their Christmas tree. Pretty sweet. Here's your upper and lower levels. This is like the candy store for car people. So here's a lineup. Is this crazy? Then here's all the mechanics down here. This is for the Mercedes. And you've got everything you can imagine down here working on it. This is a one-stop shop. Isn't that amazing? Cool. Porsche is on the far side, it looks like. And then look at these. These are just people's cars. Or maybe they're for sale. Is that sweet? Oh. So look at this. This is the BMW showroom. Oh, look at these gorgeous cars. They got all the Porsche lined up outside, but it's snowing today. Oh, look at the flat black paint on this. This is fantastic. So amazing. Oh, the green one, nice. So if you need a Christmas present for old Johnny, this is where you go and get one. Look at these. Just amazing. Then you come into this showroom, Porsche, and you've got a full run Starbucks, and it's all free. So Soda Pop was telling me he likes an 85 911 Porsche with a whale tail on it. Look at all these things. Is this crazy or what? Isn't this amazing? Spider. This one's sold. Oh, someone's gonna have fun with this one. Look at the yellow seat belts. Love it. .718 Spider. And then look at this yellow Porsche. Oh, and a purple Porsche. Do not touch. Here's their Christmas tree. Look at this. It's a 2.4 engine. This might be the one that Soda Pop likes. Oh, that looks vintage to me. Oh, that is nice. Look at this. And then down in that lower level out there, there's probably 40 or 50 more Porsche just lined up on the road, covered with snow out there. This is how the other half live.
What are you doing, Bob? I gotta drop my office drawer. What car are you driving? No, I'm going and then I'm going to check inside the office. I'll do that then.
Then you got merch here. You can buy your Porsche merch.
Oh yes, earlier.
And then you got the Mercedes dealership here. And it's all in one big shop. It's pretty crazy. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Here's our Christmas tree. That is nice. Look at that. Again, flat paint on these cars. It's where Hot Wheels picking it up from. Again, flat paint job on this. It's a matte finish. It is fantastic. Look at these things. Whatever you want, it's in here. They even got little smart cars running around here. Now this place, again, you can do whatever you want. Look at that one out there. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Just crazy. I'm gonna go get a Starbucks and enjoy. Look at this one. Just blow your mind. There's your vintage Mercedes up on the wall. Very nice. Oh, here's a little Lambo for sale. You know Big Mama's gonna jump into that thing and want it for Christmas. Is that crazy? Oh, this thing is gorgeous. Now this is the Honda dealership. Do you believe it? Oh, look at that. Is that crazy? And these are all for people to buy. Oh, they got it locked. They know old Johnny's in town. Oh, look at this. They opened it up for me and I can sit in there. Is this amazing or what? You will never, ever, ever see one of these on the inside. Oh, unless you come here. Now he said I could get in, so. Oh my gosh, this is the coolest thing ever. Oh my Lord, this is amazing. Here I am, sitting in a Lambo. First time. It is cozy in here, and I fit very nicely, which is just super. Oh, look at it. It shines Lamborghini on the ground when you open the door. Is that amazing? Look at this. Oh, this is my Christmas present. Just come here and sit in this thing. This place is the coolest place in town. Oh, they're gonna lock it up once I'm done, but Big Mama wants to sit in here. Here's the seats. It is tight in here. Oh, the details are just unbelievable. Now, when we were buying Big Mama's car, there was a GTR in here, 2017. It had 7,000 original miles on it. It was tricked out more than this. Gorgeous all around. Oh, look at this one. This is nuts. This is the GTR. Again, dashboard unbelievably cool and detailed out. This is amazing. Look at this. Oh, I know Soda Pop's drooling on his computer right now. Look at that. Is that nice or what? Be a cool kid on the block. Tell all your friends. So don't let your days be boring and wasted away. Come to the supper club and play. So what did you think? So that Lambo was a used Lambo and the price tag was $290,000. And old Johnny got to sit his big fat butt in it. It was so cool, I can't tell you how cool it was. So thanks for coming in to the Toy Car Case Countdown. You never know what you're gonna see here. Keep coming back, and we will see you tomorrow for our Christmas countdown, because who knows what we're gonna open tomorrow or see. Thanks for being a part of this. And as always, remember to like and subscribe. And tell all your friends to join the countdown before it's all gone. So, till next time, my babies. Rock on! Rock on, my babies. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clark. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be!